guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this Whirlpool video transition on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select two videos. I'll actually select something else. Hold on. I'll do these two videos of the sky, and I'm just going to adjust the duration here so it's not super long. Okay, let's use something else then. So select video transitions here, and you're just going to type in Whirlpool, and you're just going to select it and you're going to add it to your video. You can also adjust the duration of it as well. But that is pretty much how you can create a Whirlpool video transition on CapCut PC. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!